My name is Ebenezer Acquah. I'm a medical doctor. So basically, we came here for treatment for a condition that I had with my knee. And we chose Apollo because my senior brother had been here and was impressed with the service here. So we decided to come, and they requested for my history and introduced me to my prospective doctor, Dr. Tandon.
I'll be telling you about one dear patient of mine, another colleague doctor from the beautiful country of Ghana. So Dr. Ebenezer had a long-standing problem in his knee and had taken multiple opinions. Being a doctor, obviously he could, but he was not getting confident to get it properly treated. And his work was suffering, his self-esteem was taking a hit because he was walking with a bad limp, and pain was disturbing him, even disturbing his sleep.
We were fortunate to do almost all the investigations.
See Dr. Tandon and then do all the tests. Yeah.
So the next day, which was a Wednesday, I was admitted.
So he came to me, we assessed him. As you can see on the screen, that is the x-rays of his knee before the surgery was done. So the knee had deformed, he was walking with a very awkward gait and a lot of pain. Because there was past history of problem, so I had to explain it to him that his surgery cannot be done in one sitting. He understood everything and he relied on me and gave me the go ahead. So stage 1, I did the entire cleanup procedure, taking the area of the bone which was not looking too healthy for necessary test samples. All tests, once they came fine, probably 2 weeks after the first index procedure, I went in and we did the knee replacement. As you can see in this picture, the alignment is absolutely bang on target. The knee was pain-free, movements had come, and he returned back to his country very, very happy.
I went for the surgery, which was a total success. 2-3 days later, we were discharged.
So such cases are a regular for us at Apollo in New Delhi. Why? Because I have all the teams under one roof. All specialists work in tandem to handle such tough cases. We get trust and I'll say good wishes from all the patients from all over the world. And I'm happy to say we are giving them world-class, best of case outcomes and results.
Dr. Tandon is very pleasant. He's very jovial. He explained basically everything that he was going to do for the surgery to us.
Overall, it has been a very pleasant experience. Your nurses too were very friendly with us.
Yes.
So we even took some pictures with some of the housekeeping staff. So it's a good thing. And I'm going to recommend this place to